So in my little haul video, I showed this journal kit that I bought from Happy Planner. It's part of their new Nightmare Before Christmas collection. So I did open it to kind of do like a quick peek on it, but now we're going to go into super detail. Like I said before, I'm definitely going to be cutting out these pieces and using it as like little ephemera pieces. So that might be something that you're interested in as well. And then I'm just going to take everything out of the box so we can just go ahead and move that out of the way. I didn't even look at the back. Let's look at the back. Ooh, yeah. I'm definitely going to cut these out to use for like little ephemera pieces as well. Look at that. Love the little Jack and Sally right there. Even the box is really pretty. So let's see what all came with this kit. We'll start right here. We have a sticker sheet. We have another little sticker sheet. Oh my goodness, look it. They are little bats. I love that. So we have bats, stars, and the moon. And then it just repeats on down. We have a Jack, Sally, and Zero sticker sheet. Ooh, we have a little bookmarker. Oh man, I would have loved if I got another one of these because I did get the 2 planners and the guided journal. So I definitely would have loved more of these. Oh my gosh, like a lock, shock, and barrel one and an Oogie Boogie one. Oh, I would have totally bought those. Oh, if they would have done like pins that don't shadow or bleed through their paper, that was like in a whole Nightmare Before Christmas theme, I would have bought that too, for sure. If they have like some specialty pins that don't bleed or shadow through the paper, I would have been all over that. I think this is just like an empty, yeah, this is just an empty like little helps display box, so we'll put that to the side. Then we have another envelope. I like that it's different than the other one. The other one, what was it? I think it was Oogie Boogie and Jack. I don't think it was the same one. So that's really nice. Definitely would have loved some more little bookmarkers. And then we have some like little filler note sheets. I want to see if these are all the same or if they're different. So let's open this one on up. It's all the same thing. So that's just some little filler note paper. Love that. I'll probably stick it in here. Maybe in one of the planners. We'll see. So love the cover right here. It has like this silver gunmetal kind of foiling right there. Really pretty. The discs are really pretty. I would have loved it if it came with like little Mickey head disc instead of the little like normal hearts. That would have been really cute to just keep with the whole Disney theme. I would have loved that much better. Again, on the inside cover, I like the stars, but I definitely wish it would have had like little silhouettes of their head, or maybe even just like, you know, Zero flying through here or Oogie Boogie or something. I definitely need a character on the inside of my planner or journals. So you got like a little intro to the goals layout, where you can follow them on social media, the Happy Planner. We got Jack and Sally over here. Again, see, there's no character right here. They're definitely like Zero flying right here. You guys see that? Like Zero flying right here definitely should have been over here as well. Like there needed to be a character over here. So on our first page right here, we have, it says this month's focus, and we have goals, so you could write it out, your actions, and then what your reward is going to be. I've personally never used one of their guided journals, so I'm going to have to look up some videos on how other people use it just to kind of get an idea. I have one. I bought the Minnie Mouse one, and I just never used it. I just have it because I think it's pretty to look at. But I definitely want to start using my products, so I'm going to have to see how other people use these. Oh, a habit tracker. This would be really nice for, you know, like don't spend, exercise. You know, Sunny and I want to get healthy and lose some weight. There's a couple of bucket list items that he wants to do for his birthday or celebration that we are too fat for. So this would be really good to kind of keep us on track. I really like this page, so I could definitely pull this and put it into my planner. Then we have this week's goals. Rate a positive quote. I like that. I do like journaling and gratitude, so I would really like this, that it's just write something positive. Important dates. I don't really have important dates every week, so not sure how I'd use that one. And then list the things that to help you achieve your goals, and list things that will inspire you. I love that we have Jack and Sally in here. That's really pretty. On the next page, we have 0 over here. We have the date. What's your main goal for today? Oh, so this goes into a daily one. Ways to help you achieve this goal. Write 3 positive daily reminders for yourself. 1 thing that made you feel hopeful today. And then list 3 wins from the day. Oh, I like that. I've never done like a 3. I just do, I find 1 thing that I'm grateful for that day. And I've never done a 3. That's really interesting. That would really make you think and dig deep. So I like that. And then is this the same thing? No, it's a little bit different. So we have the date. What's your main goal today? Today's task. Write encouraging message to yourself. That's cute. 1 thing you're grateful for, which I do already. So I like that. And then what are 3 lessons you learned today? Ooh, that's a good one too. Oh, see, and you have to write 2. So you really have to like dig deep into your day. I like that. That is really, really interesting right there. And let's see what else we have over here. Is this different? Yeah, it is a little bit different, right? Because this one has, so the date, your main goal for today, the task, write a motivating message, and then write 1 thing you're proud of. Haven't done that before either, so that's really interesting. And then 3 wins from the day. And then ways to achieve your goal, write 3 positive daily reminders for yourself, 1 thing that made you feel hopeful, and then the 2 lessons you learned. So I think we're starting to like go into repeats, right? Yeah, and then we just have, Jack and Sally and 0. Oh, this is different. Monthly goal check-in. And then you can write your process from 0 to 100. A big milestone. Milestone. And 1 area to improve. And then, yeah, it goes kind of into the same thing. So there's number 1, number 2, and the number 3. They're marked off right there. And yeah, this just kind of starts to like repeat some of the same things again. Yeah, kind of the same thing. Okay, let's see if the next one is different. So here's, oh wait, there's a little like note page back here. So you get 1 note page, and this one has 0 and Jack on it. Then here is our next little divider. I wish this would have had gold foiling like it did in the planner. I think that would have been really nice if it had the gold foiling. Is this the same thing as it was over here? Let me see. Oh yeah, so it's the same thing. What about the next page? Oh, it is. So it's just, it repeats into the same format again. Just a new divider. Is the note page the same? Yeah, that note page is the same as well. Interesting. Okay. So here is the next little divider. And again, it's just the same thing as that first one that we went over and looked at. Yeah, same little journaling prompts. And then our last divider is 0. I would have loved if this had gold foiling to it as well. So like the little bats and maybe like around the moon would have had some of that like silver foiling. That would have been really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that they got the detail of the pumpkin on 0's nose. You can actually like really see it on this one because it's a little bit bigger. Love that. Oh, that's cute. What was the back of the other ones? Stars. Same as the front cover. Then like little star stuff. Interesting. That one is kind of cute with the little bats. I like bats. And then this is just going to be the same as that first little section that we went through. So that's a lot of stuff. This is definitely for a whole like year long. And even then with doing this throughout the year, I don't know if I would actually finish this in a whole year. That is a whole lot. I can see maybe like completing one section. And even that would be a lot to try to get done and complete. So I definitely need to look up other people's videos for some inspiration on this, because I need some help and ideas for that. So that was everything that was in the guided journal little kit right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these little happy planner stuff. I'm very excited for the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. You guys know I'm such a huge Disney fan, so I'm really happy to see that they've come out with some of that stuff. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Make sure you go check out the other videos in this little series. And that's it. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.